Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Dodge Durango. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, wrenches, and a large drain pan. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Then, locate the water pump, typically found on the front of the engine, often near the fan assembly. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Next, position a large drain pan beneath your radiator and open the drain cock to completely empty the coolant system. This step is vital to avoid spills and ensure a clean workspace. Once the coolant is drained, you'll need to remove the serpentine belt. Use a tensioner tool to release the tension, then carefully slip the belt off the pulleys. Finally, unbolt and detach all hoses connected to the water pump, preparing it for removal. Now, thoroughly clean the engine block's mounting surface, removing any old gasket material or debris. This ensures a proper seal for the new pump. If your new gasket requires it, apply a thin, even layer of RTV sealant. Carefully position the new gasket and then the new water pump onto the engine block. Hand tighten the mounting bolts, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's exact specifications, typically around 25 foot-pounds. Finally, reconnect all hoses and securely reattach the serpentine belt to its proper routing. Refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 blend of antifreeze and distilled water. Start the engine with the radiator cap off to bleed any trapped air from the system, topping off coolant as needed. After a test drive, recheck for any leaks and ensure the coolant level remains stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.